Lungwort, scientifically known as Pulmonaria officinalis, is a perennial herb celebrated in traditional medicine for its plethora of medicinal properties. It belongs to the Boraginaceae family and is often sought after for its distinctive spotted leaves and its early spring flowers. Habitat and growth. Lungwort thrives in the moist, shaded woodlands and forest floors across Europe and parts of Asia. It favors a cool, damp environment, and it is often found under the canopy of deciduous trees, growing in the humus-rich, well-drained soil. Identification. This plant features basal rosettes of oval leaves that are covered with white spots, which are believed to resemble lung tissues, hence the name. The flowers are bell-shaped, starting as pink and turning blue as they age, blooming from March until May. Edible parts and uses. The young leaves of lungwort can be eaten raw in salads or cooked like spinach, providing a mild, mucilaginous texture. The flowers are also edible and can add color to salads. Medicinal parts and uses. Please note this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. Lungwort is primarily used for its leaves and sometimes the flowers, which are harvested when the plant is in bloom for maximum potency. Respiratory conditions. Traditionally used for ailments such as bronchitis, asthma, and whooping cough due to its expectorant properties, helping to clear mucus from the lungs. Digestive health. It aids in relieving diarrhea, stomach pain, bloating, and indigestion. Diuretic and detoxification. It acts as a mild diuretic, supporting detoxification and kidney health. Anti-aging and antioxidants. Contains high levels of antioxidants, which protect against free radicals, offering general health, tonics, and anti-aging benefits. Skin and wound care. Applied topically, it helps in treating skin conditions like eczema, rashes, boils, and ulcers, and it's effective in wound healing and stopping bleeding when used externally and also internally. Urinary tract and kidney health. It's useful in treating urinary tract infections or UTI, cystitis, and other kidney-related problems. It's an antifungal. It can be used to treat ringworm. How to harvest. Lungwort should be harvested in the spring as it begins to flower. Leaves and flowers can be gently plucked from the plant, ensuring not to overharvest from any single plant to allow for regeneration. Cautions. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. It is not recommended for use during pregnancy or while breastfeeding due to limited research on its effects. Allergic reactions. While generally safe, it may cause allergic skin reactions in sensitive individuals. Lungwort is a versatile herb with a rich history in herbal medicine, primarily valued for its respiratory and detoxifying benefits. With its unique appearance and beneficial properties, it makes a valuable addition to any herbalist's repertoire, though caution should be exercised due to potential allergic reactions and its use during pregnancy. As with any medicinal herb, consultation with a healthcare provider is recommended before starting any new treatment.